Let's learn about some places in the city. Supermarket. The supermarket is where you can buy food and household items. School. The school is a place where children go to learn new things. Park. The park is a nice place to relax, play, and have a picnic. Library. The library is where you can borrow books and read quietly. Restaurant. The restaurant is where you can go to eat food someone else cooks for you. Hospital. The hospital is where doctors and nurses help sick people get better. Police station. The police station is where you can go if you need help or report a crime. Cinema, or movie theater. The cinema is where you can watch new movies on a big screen. Train station. The train station is where you can catch a train to travel to other places. Bus stop. The bus stop is where you wait to take a bus to another part of the city. Post office. The post office is where you can buy stamps or send a letter. Bank. The bank is where you can keep your money, or you can get money from the bank. I hope you can remember this vocabulary. Try to learn the English and describe each place in the city. Watch this video a few times.